1 by x minus 2 into x minus 3. You have to express it as the sum of partial fractions. Okay, without doing the math, I mean without maintaining the steps, how we can do it, you see. Suppose it can be written, you see, I am going to write down 1 by x minus 3 minus 1 by x minus 2. Dear students, can you please calculate it? Can you get the LCM? Okay, let's try. If we get the LCM here, we get x minus 3, x minus 2. Okay, that is we are getting here x minus 2 minus x plus 3. You see x will be omitted and we are left with 3 minus 2, that is 1 by x minus 3, x minus 2. Have you seen it? Now the question may be arisen, how I have done it, right? Okay, very good, very good. If I give a question like this, 1 by x minus 4, x minus 5, which one is the lower here? I mean smaller. This one is the smaller one, right? So you start with that, x minus 5 minus 1 by x minus 4. You calculate it, you will get it. Okay? But if it is given, suppose 1 by x minus 2, x minus 4, how you will do it? You see, not a matter. X minus 4 will be written at first. X minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 2. But you see, we are not done. Because here it comes, you see, if we have the LCM here, it is not done. Then you see what is left here. It is x minus 4, it is x minus 2. So we get x minus 2 minus x plus 4. This is omitted. 4 minus 2, 2. This 2, 4 minus 2, that is 2. So this is to be taken here, half into this. Have you got me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
স্যার আরেকবার বলেন না প্লিজ
Okay. But we will not follow this rule. What we will follow for this exercise is that I am going to show it. Then you'll come to know. Suppose, what will you do? Talk to me. At first, you try to write down x minus 2 here plus x minus 3. Okay? Up to this it is okay. Now let me know what is the value of x here. Talk to me. What is the value of x? You put that 2 except this one. Except this x minus 2, except this x minus 2, you put the value. So this is x, so it is 2. This is 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. Okay? Now you let me know what is the value of x here. Talk to me. 3. Okay? Now, except this part, as it is taken, you put the value of x equals to 3. So this is 3, and this is 3 minus 2, that is 1. And we are done here. So our math is, we are getting our answer 3 by x minus 3 minus 2 by x minus 2. If we calculate, suppose we are done, now verify. 3 into x, 3x minus 6 minus 2x plus 6 by x minus 3, x minus 2. Are you getting the same? 3x minus 2x equals to x. Have you got me or not? Hello, everybody.
জি স্যার
Okay. Do you need another example or any more example?
জি স্যার আরেকটা এক্সাম্পল দেখান
Okay, you let me know any example. Okay, from the book I am giving you.
স্যার যদি এক্স স্কোয়ার দিয়ে করান একটা নিউমেরেটর
Okay, it will be given to you afterwards. Okay. Okay. Suppose 1 by x into x minus 1, x minus 3. This is given in a math. What will you do? Talk to me. 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 3. Okay? Just let me know what is the value of x here? 0. Here 1. And here 3. Right? Now we have to put x equals to 0 except this part. So you forget it. X equals to 0, put x equals to 0. What will be the result? 0 minus 1 minus 1, 0 minus 3 minus 3. Now you put x equals to 1 other than this. So 1, this is what? 1, 1 minus 3 minus 2. You put x equals to 3 other than this. So 3 into 3 minus 1, that is 2. And we are done here. That means we are getting here 1 by 3x. This is minus 1 by 2 into x minus 1. This is plus 1 by 6 into x minus 3. This is the answer. Talk to me. Hello, everybody.
G, sir.
Okay. So now we should not kill your time. We have too many maths to do. And in course of time, you all will come to know. Suppose 10.5 question number 1. Okay. We are given in this math dx by x square minus 16. Okay. This is the math. So what will we do actually? At first, you see, we can write here dx by x plus 4 and x minus 4. Right? Can you write?
স্যার এটাকে dx by x square minus a square ফর্মুলায় দেওয়া
We
যাবে না?
can do it. Okay, you are absolutely right. But I am going to do this math by the or with the help of partial fractions. Okay. Yes. Then what we can write here? Can you tell me, please? Talk to me. What I told you: 1 by x plus 4. Then 1 by, talk to me, x minus 4. Is it? Now you see, when I will put, what is the value of x here? Minus 4, right? So minus 4, that is minus 8. Talk to me. Okay. Now here the value of x is what? 4. So put 4 plus 4, that is only 8. Dx. Okay. That is, we are getting 1 by 8, 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x plus 4 dx. Now you just let me know what is the formula of this. What is the formula? Integration ln x minus 4 minus ln x plus 4 plus c, top to bottom second bracket. Now we can write it in this way. You see, we can write it 1 by 8 ln x minus 4 x plus 4 plus c. This is the answer. Okay. Suppose you will use the formula. Then what is the formula for this math? Talk to me. The formula is, it can be written like this. There
1 by
Shandip told me x square minus 4 square. What is the formula? 1 by 2a, a is 4. Then ln x minus a by x plus a plus c. Are we getting the same answer? Yes, we are
sir.
getting the same answer. Okay? Is it okay to all? Hello, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll get a lot of maths like this. Okay, suppose I'm going to do question number 3. You see, question number 3. dx by x plus 1 into x plus 3. What will you do? Talk to me. At first, you write down 1 by x plus 1 plus 1 by x plus 3. At first, you write down. Please do with me. What is the value of x here? Talk to me. Minus 1. What is the value of x here? Minus 1.
Yes, sir.
So you put that minus 1 here. So minus 1 plus 3. Minus 1 plus 3. What is the value of x here? Talk to me. Minus 3.
Yes,
So
sir.
you put that minus 3 here. Minus 3 plus 1. Okay. So second bracket, it is dx. It is indication sign. That means we are getting here. Talk to me. 3 minus 1, that is 2. So we are getting half integration sign. Half of integration sign 1 by x plus 1 dx. It is what? Minus 3 plus 1 minus 2, that is minus half integration sign 1 by x plus 3 dx. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Then what is the result here? Half ln x plus 1 minus half ln x plus 3 plus c, right? I have used the formula, nothing else I did. Okay? Which again can be written half ln x plus 1 by x plus 3 absolute value c. So we have got our answer. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
So is it hard?
No, sir.
Okay, let's do another math. Suppose we are going to do question number 4 here. It is x plus 1, this is I, equal to x plus 1 by 3x square minus x minus 2 dx. This is I mean a little bit lengthy math. So what do we do? We get x plus 1 by 3x square minus x minus 2 is equal to what? X plus 1. Can you please resolve into factors? You factorize it. We'll get 3x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 2. Is it? That is, we are getting here x plus 1 by 3x can be taken common. 3x into x minus 1 plus 2 into x minus 1. Okay, that is we are getting x plus 1 by x minus 1 into 3x plus 2. Talk to me, all of you.
Yes, sir.
That is we are getting, you see what I am going to do. It is x minus 1. Write down just x minus 1. You write down here plus, you write down here only 3x plus 2. Now just let me know what is the value of x here. 1. So you put 1, 1 plus 1, write down 1 plus 1. Okay. Here 3 into 1 plus 2, write down 3 into 1 plus 2. Is it okay? Again, you just let me know what is the value of x here. Minus 2 by 3. So you write here minus 2 by 3 plus 1. Okay. What is the value of x here? Minus 2 by 3. You write here minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 minus 1. Actually, you are done. Okay. So we are getting as a result, this is 2 by 3 plus 2, 5. 5 into x minus 1. Okay. 1 minus 2 by 3 equals to what? Talk to me. 1 minus 2 by 3 is 1 by 3. So we can write here. Can you see the board? Yes. 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Now let me know what will be this value. Talk to me. Minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 by 3. This is minus 5 by 3. Minus 5 by 3 into 3x plus 2. Can you see the board?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we are getting minus 2 minus 3 then minus 5 by 3. Okay. That means we are getting, actually we are getting the math. It is equal to, we can write here integration sign 2 by 5 into 1 by x minus 1. Okay, this 3 will be omitted. Minus 1 by 5 into 1 by 3x plus 2. Okay, this is dx, and top to bottom we can give you a third bracket or second bracket as you like best. Okay, I am going to put the value of I here. This value is here. Now it is what? 2 by 5 ln x minus 1. It is what? Minus 1 by 5 ln, talk to me, 3x plus 2. But here coefficient of x is 3. So will be divided by 3 plus c. Actually, we are done. That is, we are getting here 2 by 5 ln x minus 1 minus 1 by 15 ln 3x plus 2 plus c. Talk to me. We are absolutely right. We are not mistaken anywhere. Okay. Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
now uh, we are going to do another math. Suppose question number 6. It is given 2x plus 3 by x cube minus x dx. This is given. Okay. So what do we do? This is I. Okay. Question number 6. It is equal to I. Okay. Write down. We get 2x plus 3 by x cube minus x can be written as 2x plus 3. X can be taken common. X square minus 1. Right. That means we are getting here 2x plus 3 by x into x plus 1 into x minus 1. Talk to me. Which can be written again x plus x plus 1 plus x minus 1. Okay, everybody. Here x, that means x equals to 0. Here x means what? X equals to 0. X means x equals to 0. So you put x equals to 0, that is into 1. You put x equals to 0, that is into minus 1. You put x equals to 0, that is 0 plus 3. Talk to me. Here x equals to what? X equals to minus 1. X equals to minus 1. So that is minus 2 plus 3. X equals to minus 1. So put here minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Here we are getting x equals to 1. So that is 2 plus 3. X equals to 1. You put x equals to 1. X equals to 1. X equals to 1. 1 plus 1. And it won't be written. So what is here? We are getting 3 by minus x. So we can write here minus 3 into 1 by x. You see the way I'm going to write down. Okay. Here we are getting 3 minus 2, that is 1. That is minus, okay, 1 by, it is minus 2. So it is plus 2 into x plus 1. I think you are getting me, right? Minus 1, minus 2 into this minus 1. That is only 2. Here it is, or it would be written like this. Suppose it can be written like this. Half into 1 by x plus 1. Okay. Now this can be written. This is plus 3 and 2, 5. 5 by 2. 5 by 2 into 1 by x minus 1. Is it? Therefore, we are getting I is equal to, you see, I is equal to integration sign. This is what at first minus 3. Minus 3 integration sign 1 by x dx plus half integration sign 1 by x plus 1 dx plus 5 by 2 integration sign 1 by x minus 1 dx. Now let me know, this is what minus 3 ln x plus half ln x plus 1 plus 5 by 2 ln x minus 1 plus c. This is the answer. Plus 1, it is dx.
আচ্ছা
Then x
স্যার
square.
আমরা স্যার
Yes. Tell me.
স্যার আমরা যেহেতু আগের ফর্মুলাগুলো দিয়ে করতে পারছি, তো আবার এই নিউ ফর্মুলাটা কেন করলাম?
We don't
যেহেতু
have any.
আগের
Just
ওইগুলো থেকে করা যায়।
no, you are wrong. Absolutely. None of the math can be done like the previous formula except question number 1. No other math can be done. Okay, using the previous formula. By hook or by crook, you have to show it's by hook or by crook, you are bound to express this fraction as the sum of the partial fractions. Okay, otherwise it is 100% impossible for anybody to do this math. You can do this. Okay, anyway, you see, it can be written x plus 1 by, it is what, 6 into 1, that is 6. So we are getting x minus 1 into x minus 6. Okay, that means you write down it is x minus 1 plus it is x minus 6. Okay, so x equals to 1 here. This is 1. So 1 minus 6, that is minus 5. Okay, we are getting minus 5. So x equals to what? 1. So 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1. Here we are getting, it is x minus 6, you see. So value of x is 6. So 6 minus 1, that is only 5. It is only 5. So I'm going to tell you again, x equals to 6. So that is 6 plus 1, that is 7. 6 plus 1. That means we are getting minus 2 by 5 into 1 by x minus 1 plus 6 plus 1, 7 by 5 into 1 by x minus 6. Okay. Now I think you can do after this, right? What will be its answer? So we can write, therefore I is equal to integration sign, minus 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5 integration sign 1 by x minus 1 dx plus, this is 7 by 5 integration sign 1 by x minus 6 dx. Okay. That means we are getting minus 2 by 5 ln of x minus 1 plus 7 by 5 ln of x minus 6 plus c. Okay. So we have got this.
স্যার দাঁড়ান মুছে না
Okay.
জি স্যার হয়েছে
Now, for the first time, it is the important math in this exercise. Okay, if the maths are given from this exercise, then this type of math, which I am going to do now, will be given. That is x square by x square minus 4 dx. You did a lot of maths like this. So actually, we get, you write down x square by x square minus 4 can be written like this. You see what is my theory. This is x square minus 4. You write down x square minus 4. Here also x square minus 4. Always you will do it. Okay, this is my theory. So we have got the same, right? Yes, we have got the same. But here it is only x square. Only x square. So plus 4 will be given. Now you see we have got the numerator same. Plus 4 and minus 4 will be omitted. Okay. Now if we go for writing like this, x square minus 4 by x square minus 4, okay, plus 4 by x square minus 4. Can you write? That means we are getting here 1 plus 4 by, here it is what? X plus, I'm sorry, I can put it into formula x square minus 2 square. Is it? Talk to me, all of you.
জি স্যার
Okay, that is we are getting here, you see, integration 1, this is only 1 dx, okay, plus 4 integration 1 by x whole square minus 2 whole square dx, right? Now let me know, is integration is what? X plus it is 4 into 1 by 2a. 1 by 2a is 2 ln x minus 2 by x plus 2 plus c. This 4 will be omitted. So we are left with x plus ln of x minus 2 by x plus 2 plus c. And it is the answer. Have you got it? Was it possible for you to do other than this rule? Yes, it was impossible. Now I am going to do another important math, which
স্যার
is
বুঝছেন
of,
না হ্যাঁ স্যার বুঝছেন
okay. Now going to another important math. Question number 15, write down the important math. Okay. Write down x square minus 1 by x square minus 4, x square minus 1 by x square minus 4 dx. What will you do? This is my first question and what I told you. Talk to me. Actually, we'll write down here we get x square minus 1 by x square minus 4. What is to do? Talk to me. This is x square minus 4. This is x square minus 4. Here it is to be written x square minus 4. But we see that we don't have the numerator as it was. Okay, what is the difference? Here we have to give another 3, right? Talk to me. That means we are getting here x square minus 4 by x square minus 4 plus, plus 3 by x square minus 4. That
স্যার
means,
স্যার
yes,
এই লাইনটা একটু আবার বলবেন।
okay, very good. What I said to you, x square minus 4, this is x square minus 4, this is x square minus 4, same thing will be written as the denominator.
জি
Depending
স্যার।
on the denominator, considering the denominator, we will write that denominator both in the numerator and denominator. Now we'll see that what is the change here. It is minus 1, but I have got minus 4. So I need what? I need 3 for maintaining the equilibrium. Okay,
ও
that is minus 4 plus 3 is minus 3. Oh, sorry, minus 1. Now, this is just partial fraction. This by this plus 3 by this. Okay, that is, it is 1 and it is what? Write down this, not a matter, x square minus 4. Okay, have you copied it?
দ্য আনসার, এক সেকেন্ড। হয়েছে স্যার, মুছেন।
Okay, so we have got, you see what we have got, integration sign 1 dx plus 3 integration sign dx by, you see it can be written like the previous math, x square minus 2 square, right? Now you see what is the formula. It is 1, so we are getting just only x. It is 3 into 1 by 2a, 2a ln of x minus 2, x plus 2 plus c. Okay, that means we are getting x plus 3 by 4, 3 by 4 ln x minus 2, x plus 2 plus c. This is the answer. Okay, everybody, talk to me.
জি স্যার।
Okay, now I am going to do a math which is important but will suffer you. That is, you write down dx by x square into x minus 1, x square into x minus 1. Okay, dx by x square into x minus 1. Okay, very good. We get, you write down, we get, let this math won't be done as usual. 1 by x square into x minus 1 is equal to a by x minus 1, okay, b by x and c by x square. This is 1. That is, can you remember that you did in class 9 and 10? Okay, that is 1 is equal to a x square bx into x minus 1 plus c into only x minus 1. This is 2. You put x equals to 0 here, x equals to 0, then we are getting 1 is equal to, this is 0, this is 0, this is c into, that is x equals to 0, c into 0 minus 1. That means we are getting minus c equals to 1, so c equal to minus 1. We have got one value. Now you put x equals to 1. Here we are getting x equals to 0, x equals to 1. You put x equals to 1. Talk to me. Then we are getting it is 1. X equals to 1, right? So it is a. And this is 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. So we have got a equals to 1. You know, what was our 2? 2 was 1 equals to, talk to me again. 1 equals to
ax square plus bx into x
x
minus
square plus bx into x minus 1 plus c into,
c into x minus 1.
okay. You write down equating the coefficient of x square. Equating the coefficient of x square. What you are getting, let me know. Here the coefficient of x square is 0. There is x square, but 0 into x square. So we are getting 0 in the left hand side. It is a. Here bx into x, bx square, that is b. And there is no x square here. Here x and x will be x square, okay? So what was the value of a? Can you let me know what was the value of a? 1? Is it? So we are getting b equals to minus 1. So as a result, we have got the value of a 1, value of b minus 1, and value of c is also minus 1. Have you got all those three values? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we can write down, you see, therefore 1 becomes, 1 was what? Let me know. 1 by x square into x minus 1, a equals to 1, a by x minus 1, is it? Then b by x, then c by x square. Was it 1? A by x minus 1, talk to me. What was 1? A by x minus 1, b by
Yes, sir.
x, and c by x square. Okay, I have put the value of b and c and a. Therefore, you write down this part. Therefore, dx x square into x minus 1 is equal to, talk to me, what will be here? 1 by x minus 1 dx minus 1 by x dx minus x square by minus 2 dx. 1 by x square, that is x to the power minus 2. That is, we are getting here ln of x minus 1 minus ln x. And here it is, talk to me, minus x to the power minus 2. That is x to the power minus 2 plus 1. That is x to the power minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. That means we are getting ln x minus 1 minus ln x. This is what? Minus minus plus 1 by x plus c. And we are done here. Are you enjoying this math? Okay,
স্যার একটা ফিক্স টাইম দিলে আরো এনজয় করতাম।
sorry, fixed
একটা
time.
টাইম ফিক্স করলে।
Okay, you're not wrong. You are not wrong. Okay, so dear students, you all are required to practice some maths at home. That is same thing. If you know how to, I mean, get the partial fractions, then it is only possible for you then, otherwise not. X plus 1 whole square dx. This is question number 22. You will do it at home. Okay, what will you do? I am showing you. It is 1 by x into x plus 1 whole square is equal to a by x, b by x plus 1, c by x plus 1 whole square. Okay, giving you some math so that you can do it at home. X by x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2 dx. Okay, this math you will do it at home. Okay, now another type of math, that is question number 28. It is x plus 2, another type of math. It is 1 minus x, 1 minus x, there is integration sign, 1 minus x into x square plus 4 dx. Can you do it? Okay, it can be laid like this: a by 1 minus x, then bx plus c by x square plus 4. You will do it at home. It is homework. You will do it. You can easily integrate it, but it may be a little bit harder for you for partial fractions. But you did a lot of maths on partial fraction in class 9 and 10, exercise 2. But I will not listen to anyone, but you are bound to do this math. X dx by x minus 1 and x square plus 1 whole square. Oh, no whole square. This is the math. You have to do it at home. This is the most important math in this exercise. Okay, hello everybody.
জি স্যার।
স্যার দাঁড়ান,
So
বুঝছেন না লাস্টেরটা।
will I do it or you will do it?
আমরাই করব।
Okay, so I have given you some homework and those maths will be done by you at home. We are just left I mean the last exercise, that is exercise 10.6. Do you like to do it today or another day?
স্যার একটা কথা বলছিলাম, আপনি তো পুরাই করে করলেন।
Okay, just wait. Do you like to start 10.6 today?
না স্যার,
না স্যার, নেক্সট দিন।
নো স্যার। স্যার উই
Okay.
হ্যাভ আ কথা।
Wait, I'm just wait. 10.6 এ কি আছে বলে দিই। সাপোজ সেম ম্যাথ, এখানে ভ্যালু দেওয়া আছে 3, এখানে ভ্যালু দেওয়া আছে 2। ওকে, তার মানে মনে করো সাপোজ এটার অ্যান্সার আসলো, একটা এক্সাম্পল দিচ্ছি, ln x plus 1 minus 3x এর অ্যান্সার আসলো। কথার কথা এইটার একটা অ্যান্সার আসলো। তো এখানে ভ্যালু দেওয়া আছে 3 আর 2, তার মানে x এর ভ্যালু 3 বসবে একবার, মাইনাস x এর ভ্যালু 2 বসবে। x এর ভ্যালু একবার 3 বসবে, মাইনাস x এর ভ্যালু একবার 2 বসবে। এভরিথিং ইজ সেম এন্ড ইউ উইল এনজয় দ্য চ্যাপ্টার 10.6। ওকে, যত ডিফারেন্সিয়েশন আছে এবং যত ইন্টিগ্রেশন আছে সবকিছু মিলিয়ে এক্সারসাইজ 10.6। বাট ইন্টারেস্টিং ফ্যাক্ট ইজ দ্যাট ইউ উইল গেট এভরি ম্যাথ ডান। যে তোমরা প্রতিটা ম্যাথ এর আগে একবার, 5 বার, 10 বার, 20 বার, 100 বার করেছো, এমন ম্যাথ তোমরা সবসময় পাবা। ওকে,